Welcome to Taranker's YouTube channel. Today, Taranker is honored to introduce Bond Loyalty Rewards Referrals, an application on the Shopify platform and one of the top trending apps designed to turn one-time buyers into loyal customers. Discover how a loyalty program can enhance your business performance. Now, let's start with the key features of Bond. Bond provides Shopify merchants with powerful tools to set up a loyalty program with reward points, referrals, and VIP tiers. Integrate with POS systems to ensure a seamless experience for both online and physical stores. Customize the program's interface to match your brand. Analyze customer behavior to optimize marketing strategies. With Bond, you can create a comprehensive and effective loyalty program. Here are the key benefits for Shopify merchants when using Bond Loyalty. Why choose Bond? Bond helps increase customer retention by encouraging repeat purchases. Boost sales through an effective referral program. Analyze customer data to make smarter business decisions. Enjoy seamless integration and easy setup, designed specifically for Shopify merchants. With nearly 2,000 positive reviews and a 9.5 rating, Shopify users love how Bond effortlessly enhances their business performance. Ready to elevate your loyalty program? Install Bond today and get an exclusive 20% discount for the first month. Available only for Taranker users. Visit Taranker.com to claim this offer and boost your Shopify store's performance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more valuable tips from Taranker.